Welcome to our first forging video on American Blacksmith. Today we're going to get right into some forging of our first giveaway item, and we want to do something fun, and so we're going to make this fish hanger here. We've got hooks here, fish out of flat plate, 10 gauge steel, it's all mild steel. Right, here's how we start with the fishy. We take a piece of 10 gauge flat plate and we cut it out either with a plasma cutter, or you can cut this out also with a jigsaw, bandsaw. Then I take him and start putting in my marks that I'm going to be forging. Round scales, half scales, mouth, gill, fins. And here are some of the tools I use. I use this for the creasing of the pieces, so for the creasing and so forth. Then there's a series of rounded punches of different sizes for these impressions here. So we'll go ahead in the forging area and proceed. Okay, we've got fish in the forge. Start showing you how to. Okay, we're going to be forging the fins. The cross beam. I'm going to start putting the impressions in the face. We have the gills that'll come up from here. Then you can always go back and do another heat and deepen those grooves in there. Thin stock material like this you have to heat over and over again. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Which the advantage of a gas forge is you can put multiple pieces in and keep working instead of waiting on a heat. So the next step, I'm going to start putting in the scales. So I come back, put the little holder on. Switch to another tool. And we'll put it back in fire. Okay, now we're going to shape the fish body. And we're going to use this either a log like this if you don't have a swage block. You can even take two pieces of large round and tack them together just to make yourself a little valley here. We'll go ahead and do that. Once you get this cupped in like this, then you can straighten it back out some. But you get your definition. Round this side some, round that side. If you don't have a rounded hammer like this, you can take ball bearings. simply weld your hooks onto the back end, or if you want to go ahead and put a rivet in each one, you can, just like we did here with the fin. And then we have two little hangers that you just bend out of wire. And you can TIG weld them, or what I like to do a lot is gas welding. Okay, thanks for watching this video on American Blacksmith. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave any comments below. And the first email we receive with comments on our show, we will arrange to have this sent to you as a first giveaway prize. So our shop supervisor, Zena, and we'll tell you about her in the future. And if you can figure out what she is, please comment and we'll give you the story. We've been together for 20 years. I rescue zebra hybrids and animals that people can't handle, and she's one of my best friends. So we'll see more of her in the future. See you on American Blacksmith.